Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, I've been receiving so many questions in my DM about the payment level. Like once you're done with filling in all the data, starting from the travel purpose, like how you saw in part 1, how we filled in the visa C. Once you're done with all this, the 5 levels, starting with your travel purpose, personal data, travel document, visa information, and step number 5, which is uploading all your documents. The next step is making payment. So we are going to see how to make payment once you reach that level of the fees, like how you saw. We are going to see how you can make payment. So guys, stay tuned and let's go.
Yeah, so guys, this is the form. If you had watched my previous video about the C visa online application, about the C visa, we had filled in all these steps. So I'm just going to run these steps to up to level number 6 and we see what happens. So I'll place here now next. Just to run up to level number 6. Step number 2 is done. This step number 3. Let's go to step number 3. Step number 4. Step number 4 is done. Step number 5 I place next. Remember we had filled in all this data, guys, so let me place next to proceed to payment gateway. This is our point of interest, so I'll place here. Yeah, so guys, once you reach this level, which is the step number 6, the fees, like if you finish to fill in all these steps, step 1, step 2, step number 3, 4, 5, and then 6, you come to tax. Tax is some fee that you have to pay. Of course, your names will be generated automatically as you filled in earlier before. Then the payment will come also, the total payment will be also generated automatically, that is the visa fee amount, and then the authorization code. So guys, here I want to put some little emphasis. So once you reach this step, you bypass the authorization code. The authorization code, you'll get it after making the payment. Then when you get the authorization code, you'll come back to your application, punch in the authorization code, and then you check in. You understand, guys? So I'm going to press pay. So once you press pay, I'll translate this. This here is e-payment, visa fee, the payer's details, your name is generated automatically. This JMB number is also generated automatically by the system. Then the address, then the visa amount, you see that it is 7,021.84 dinars. Then here you come to payment method. So here there's terms of use. So those are the terms of performance of the service. You have to agree to them. So here you have to tick by agreeing to the terms. So here there's payment by the card, payment by the card. So you press here. So once you press payment by the card, the system will bring you here, which is payment method. So you see that this is the amount you have to pay, and you have to pay the money in this bank, which is NLB Commercial Bank or Commercialna Bank, that is in Serbia. So the visa fee, which is 7,021.84 dinars. Then the commission, which is 140.44 dinars. So the total amount you have to pay is this. Like I said, guys, you must put enough money on your card. You understand, guys? So then after you press make payment. So once you press make payment, I'll translate this. So here they say enter the card information. So here you put in your card number, which is the 16-digit number on your Visa card. And then here you punch in your expiry date. Here is the CVC. Here you punch in your CVC code number. It is always three digits. And then after you press pay. You can pay with your Visa card or MasterCard, whatsoever. So yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, not to forget, once you pay, the system will send you a authorization code on your telephone number. With that you go back to your application and punch in that authorization code, and then after you check in to complete your application. So guys, I hope you've understood me. Yeah, thank you for watching.
So guys, I was saying, when filling in the online visa application form, you must to have your Visa card ready. Or I don't know what, I think most of you have Visa card, MasterCard, whatsoever, depending on what you have, you must to have it ready. And it must have enough balance when you're going to pay. Remember, when you're paying, the Serbia will charge you, Serbia Bank will charge you in its local currency. That means there's an issue over exchange rate. That means if your money is in a local currency, let's say UGX, and that means it will be converted. That means there's an exchange rate cost that they will charge you, and other bank charges. So meaning that put some extra money to cover the extra costs when paying the charges, when paying the fees for your visa application, to avoid inconveniences like pending, like what you understand, guys. Card you can pay using this Visa card or a MasterCard. You see, guys, MasterCard. Yeah, so it is super easy, guys. You don't need agent to do this for you. Just, if you don't have an account, go to the bank, open up an account, deposit money on it, pay. Have it ready with you. Once you reach the payment level, punch in. There's the Visa card always, there's that long number on the Visa card. It always has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It always has 16 digits, you know. Let me see how many digits does this one got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They all have 16 digits. They have 16 digits. So once you have that, you require to have the expiry date. I will show that to you. And then you require to have this code number that is always behind your Visa card. You know, you know how online payment system work. Yes, so guys, not to forget, when making the payment, you must to ensure that your card is not expired, and you must to ensure that your debit card is in position to make online payment. If it's not in position, because you might be punching in your card details and then payment fails, but yet you have enough balance, you don't know where the problem is coming from. So sometimes the problem can come from your card not permitted to make online payment. So ensure, check with your bank to authorize your card to make online payment. You understand, guys? Have enough balance, your card is not expired, and ensure that your card can make online payment. Yes, so guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll come and reply.